How do I practice? Do I practice? Yep, I practice. This video is two things really, because it's born out of a conversation I had with a guitar student recently who was struggling with what to do next, and they asked me what I would do or how I practice. So that's one thing. The second thing is I've got another video bubbling for the near future about common questions that are asked by guitar students, common situations we have. One of those is practice routines. So I'm really interested in what your thoughts are and what your experiences are, because we can all learn from each other by sharing what our experiences are. So if you've got any thoughts on practice, what you've experienced, what that word means to you, because it can scare some people thrive on it. What are your experiences? Have you progressed? Did you hit a plateau? How do you feel about it? So my practice currently, or my attitude to practice, is making it as efficient as possible. We've all got other things to do in the day. As an adult, there are other things going on. So you have to make sure you get things done without it being too overwhelming. My job is teaching guitar, which is brilliant. And I absolutely love it, and it keeps me switched on. That work is geared towards helping other people know what to do and how to interpret their journey of playing guitar. So in that, I'm not playing for fun for myself. So I have to make sure I stay engaged and do something for myself also. So the way that I approach that is by setting myself little goals. I really thrive on having a goal. So I'll set myself little goals and put some skin in the game and then work towards it, and make sure I'm not overdoing it, because you do get to a point where you will stagnate and tire. So I'm very pro practice regularly, consistently, but know when to take a break, because often you will process things to more value in that break, so that when you come back, you will be a little bit better, or a little bit more relaxed, or have a little bit more brain space to take it in. To give you some insight, my current goal is to record every song that I've uploaded to this teaching channel as a guitar lesson. I'm going to go back and sing and play all of the songs as separate videos, no editing, to excellent standards that I'm proud of, and upload them all onto another channel, the Guitar Songs channel. So that's my current goal. So I'm currently working through that, and what that's doing is keeping me engaged, keeping me well-oiled, keeping my guitar chops, keeping my singing chops, giving me something to work towards to build this up. That will take a bit of time, and I'm thoroughly enjoying the journey of that so far. So it's kind of switched me back on in some ways as a singer and as a guitarist. Once I've achieved this goal, I'll move on to something else. So I know this goal is achievable. I know where it's going to end. I can only imagine that my next point to go will be something to do with electric guitar. For me, getting to spend some more time playing my electric guitar. I love my Strat. I love my Stratocaster, and electric guitar is my first love. There's nothing nicer for me than sitting down and getting into some melodies and some harmonies and some licks. So I will afford myself some more time with my electric guitar. Remember that goals don't always come to fruition, so be ready to change it. Be ready for something to change and to come up with something different to keep you engaged. Learning's not linear, so you'll find that you go in a certain direction, you hit a plateau maybe, and then you need to spend some time away or come back to it. Please share your thoughts, engage in conversation with me. I'm interested in what your experiences are. I'll see you then.